sake.
Oh no, what are you doing here?
Thought I'd cooked my goose, eh? Is there any way to greet your long-lost father?
Your father? I'd be a step that runs the family.
He's not my father. Don't listen to him.
He's overcome. Son, hug your papa. Mama and I have been worried sick.
Don't let him near me. Well, does he look like a duck?
Now, dear. Folks who live in glass houses shouldn't call the kettle black. Something like that.
He's a cat.
Children will have their fun. I'm sorry if he has caused you any inconvenience. And I'm most grateful that you've kept it all in one piece. Come along, Ducky. Thank the nice boy for looking after.
He's a cat, I tell you. A no-good, sly, treacherous,
Hungry?
double-crossing, evil, conniving tomcat.
It's no good. The line is busy.
Well, hello!
Mercy, another duck. What's the matter? Haven't you got a pond to go to?
Meow!
Didn't you say his mother was sick with worry?
Meow, meow.
Told you he was a tomcat.
Tomcat. Remember, we have an arrangement. Oh no, there'll be tears before bedtime.
Fermi! Avanti! Madam, I'd be honored, though I'm not your ill, if we could be together, maybe share a dish of milk.
Sir, I feel delighted. I know it's true, you're a scrub. That when one's had things easy, unlike